Okay, my people, still on Falz case. Well, this time around, I actually commented on the Bobrisky saga. If you can recall, last year he had issues with VeryDarkMan concerning Bobrisky and whatever. But now he said that prior to the case, that he didn't have any relationship whatsoever with Bobrisky. That Bobrisky only messaged him asking for his help on a case, just like everyone else. People they enter in DM, they ask for him help. So no special something. And about the leaked call that VDM had against him, he said it's just compassion, not connection, nothing concern, like nothing relate am with Bobrisky. And it wouldn't stop him at this case, this issue wouldn't stop him from helping people. Abeg, make una no carry una problem, make una no carry stand fall for person guy. See person wey bring out himself dey help people. Abeg o, make all of una dey una e dey. But he said that next time that he will actually be more cautious when dealing with issues like this. That once beaten, twice shy.
That's my relationship. I never, prior to that, prior to that instance or that phone call, I never had any relationship. You know, he would message me on Instagram, he or she, however he wished to address. I don't know, to be honest. You know,
the subject.
Yeah, the person would message me on Instagram saying, "Oh, I'm in this case, blah blah blah. I want to speak to you about how you can help."
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
So for legal advice.
Tons and tons of people message me about, you know, similar stuff like that. And this is not a special case. It's not an exception in any way. In a lot of those cases, I would give them an audience like, "What's the P? How can I help?" Just from my heart of hearts.
Yeah.
Compassionately. Little did I know. Anyway, you know, as they say, once beaten, twice shy.
Yeah.
But at the end of the day, though, I wouldn't also say that it's like, oh, now I'm never going to help anybody again in my life. Not necessarily, you know. It's just maybe being a bit more cautious.
Yeah.
You know.
Have you thought about starting?
Now, concerning in own matter with VDM personally, you know that he and his father sued VeryDarkMan for alleged defamation. You know, you guys can remember what VDM said about him, accusing him of some things and things. But he said that ever since the case was filed, say VDM and people never entered defense. But instead they entered a preliminary objection that the court in question did not have the jurisdiction to hear the case. But wait, okay, let's say they were right, okay, they made the case. But if you guys had evidence and you're sure about what you said, who could come court now, come defend your case now? But say they never show for defense, and that the court struck out VDM's objection, stating that they have to enter a defense. Una need to come defend una case, or else the court will go ahead and rule on that case.
First case, very much still in court. There's a substantive suit, which myself and my dad are alleging defamation.
Yeah.
It's clear. We filed the case, and ever since we filed the case, they never entered a defense. Instead, they entered a preliminary objection saying the court didn't have jurisdiction to hear the case or something. As at the last date, I was in court. The court has thrown out that objection. Now they have to enter a defense, or the court will just go on to rule on the case. So that's the update. I can't really say much about subject of current litigation. So I'll leave that there.
So guys, what do you guys think? What are your thoughts concerning this issue? Please drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.